Hi, today we have got some wiper blades for a Astra twin top, but instead of paying someone like Halfords to fit them, why not learn how to fit them free? This is a tutorial on how to fit wiper blades. Right, these are called Seamer Aerotech. Never used these ones before. So this is what you get in the box: a pair of wiper blades. The red bit is a blade guard. So one pair of wiper blades. So two different wiper blades at two different lengths. Usually the small one goes on the passenger side. Got a hole that goes through the middle here. So what you do, you get the wiper blade up, and these ones just slide off like this. The new ones just slide back on the pin. Take off the wiper blade guard. One wiper done. So I'll show you again. These ones, you just rotate it so it's clear. Push them off. New wiper blade on. Push it on. Make sure it rotates round behind the locking bit. Wiper blade guard off. Wipers done. Why pay someone to fit those when they're that easy to do? So in the description we'll have a link to being able to purchase them. This was on an Astra twin top. These wiper blades were easy to do. I've not usually used the ones which have the pin before. I'll do some more videos with the other types of wiper blades in the future. If your wiper blades are a different way of fitment, please like and subscribe, and I'll try and post a video once a week if this is the sort of thing that interests you, and hopefully you'll enjoy my next video. Cheers.